Developing tonight, the Trump administration is changing course on one of its immigration policies. Earlier today, federal officials announced they were reversing the termination of legal status for international students living in the U.S. on a visa. It comes after several court challenges, including one of the largest cases right here in Atlanta involving 133 students. Nearly 30 of them attend schools here in Georgia. 11 Alive's Joe Ripley has been following this story for weeks and joins us now to break down this new update and what it means for the case now moving forward. Joe? So,
Jonathan, this lawsuit is still a go. That is according to the attorney who's suing the U.S. government on behalf of the students who had their visas revoked. The reversal, this attorney says, gives her a sense of hope these students can soon get back what they once lost.
Honestly, we're very up in the air. We didn't expect this to happen.
It's a development Danielle Claffey didn't see coming. The Trump administration is reversing its policy to end visa status for international students.
Because they probably sensed, okay, there's so much litigation going on. We've got 133 plaintiffs in Atlanta, and this is not going to work. We can't win this fight.
Claffey and her immigration law team at Cook Baxter are representing students who had their visas revoked earlier this month by immigration officials. A federal student database called SEVIS flagged the students' records over minor charges and offenses.
Did not leave their homes for a week or 2 weeks until and unless they heard from us that they were more secure.
Several students risked missing graduation, lost out on job offers, and others faced potential deportation.
It was just such an abrupt change in their sense of security here in the U.S. for no reason that was within the law whatsoever.
A federal judge in Atlanta temporarily restored legal status to the students involved in the lawsuit, a lawsuit Claffey says that will continue as the Trump administration continues to crack down on illegal immigration.
We don't know what ICE is going to do next. We don't know if this is to be believed, if this is going to be permanent. I mean, this is a fluid situation that's changed drastically within the last less than 24 hours.
And we have reached out to the State Department for a response to this latest development. We have not yet heard back. Within the next week, though, we understand a federal judge handling the lawsuit here in Atlanta is going to decide whether the students involved are going to maintain their legal status throughout this entire legal process.